Welcome to our channel. Today we how to budget with Checkbook, beginner guide step by step clearly. Begin by gathering your materials. You will need a checkbook register, a pen, and a calculator. Start with a clear understanding of your income. Record your total monthly income at the top of your checkbook register. Next, list all your fixed expenses. These may include rent, utilities, and insurance payments. Now, identify your variable expenses. Variable expenses can include groceries, entertainment, and dining out. Estimate your monthly spending for each variable expense. Add your fixed and variable expenses together. Subtract this total from your income. This will show you how much money is left each month. If you have a negative number, review your expenses. Look for areas where you can cut back. Now, allocate your remaining funds to savings or debt repayment. Consider setting aside a small amount for unexpected expenses. With your budget established, update your checkbook register for each transaction. Record each deposit and withdrawal promptly. This will help you keep track of your cash flow. Use your checkbook to avoid overspending. Make adjustments to your budget as needed. Review your budget regularly to stay on track. This will help you create a stable financial future. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.